And of course, pasalamatan natin ang ating Yorme Isko Moreno and Vice Mayor Chi Atienza.
Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko dadagdagan nila yung TF natin. Oo. Alright. Mamaya, sige. Department of Tourism, Culture and Arts, maraming salamat. Alright. Our fourth runner-up garnered a total score of 91.01%. Our fourth runner-up is...
Our fourth runner-up is candidate from Pateros, RC Simon.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, Pateros. Miss Kagawad Richie Candas, Kagawad Robin Joy Cantos, Flo, Judge Attorney John Guerrero, and Judge Mark Panganiban. She is now receiving a 20,000 peso cash, a bouquet, a sash, and a trophy, and of course, a crown. Announcing our third runner-up, and she will be awarded by Walter Simbulan, Kagawad Alfie Boyings Regino, Kagawad Raf Apanay, Judge Mark Panganiban, Dr. TJ Ordonez,
And of course, our Beksyon ng Manila third runner-up last 2024, Karen Montesilio.
She will receive a bouquet, a sash, a trophy, a crown, and 40,000 peso
Wow!
cash. Our third runner-up garnered a total score of 93.23%.
Our third runner-up for the Beksyon ng Maynila 2026 goes to Kasi Pakulan from Quezon City.
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Okay, we will be announcing our second runner-up, and she will be awarded by Kagawad Marvin Aquino, SK Kirk Daniel Davilio, Anthony Abad, Judge Attorney Richmond Ong, and Judge Poca.
And the second runner-up will receive a bouquet of flower, sash, a trophy, and a 60,000 pesos in cash.
Paano yun?
Pakdisal.
Our second runner-up were able to get a total score of 93.86%. Dikit lang kay third. At siya ay si...
Our second runner-up for the Beksyon ng Maynila 2026 candidate number 1, Bigay Bautista from Bulacan.
Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is being awarded by Kagawad Marvin Aquino, SK Kirk Daniel Davilio, Anthony Abad, Judge Attorney Richmond Ong, and Judge Poca. She She is now receiving a bouquet of flower, a sash, a trophy, and a crown, and a 60,000 peso cash. Chairman Bernie Galay. Announcement, everybody. We will be announcing the winner or the Queen of Bekshi ng Maynila 2026. Ibig sabihin, ang hindi matatawag siya ang ating first runner-up. However, the role of the first runner-up is very important because siya, the champion or the winner, wasn't able to fulfill her duties and responsibilities. The first runner-up will take over. Bago natin tawagin ang ating winner for this year, tawagin muna natin ang President ng Bekshis ng Maynila, President Mark Candy Pancho, para sa kanyang mensahe para sa ating lahat.
Salamat po sa lahat po na naging bahagi po ng ating pong Queen of Bekshi ng Maynila 2026. Sa kabila po ng 3:00 na po ng umaga, nandito pa rin po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga suporta. Alam ko po yung iba po sa inyo hindi po taga Maynila. Nandito lang po kayo upang suportahan yung ating mga kandidato. Sa aming pinakamamahal na punong lungsod, Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, sa aming pong mga councilors, congressman, DDCAM Direktora Crystal Bagatsing, Direk Lino ng Youth Bureau, sa akin pong mga members, officers ng Bekshi ng Maynila, mula po sa aming mga puso, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I-announce na po natin ang winner. Talk show na tayo.
This is the moment of truth. Simula nung March 26,
Yes.
tapos nag-talent sila nung April 16 and now the coronation night. Ngayon, malalaman na natin kung sino ba ang Queen of Bekshi 2026!
Yes.
Excited na ba kayong lahat?
Alright,
Sising pa ba kayo?
our first runner-up were able to get a total score of 94.61%. And our champion, or the queen
The
for
title
tonight, the
holder.
title holder, got 95.94%. Isang puntos ang laman. And of course, this score will not be possible without the assistance of our official tabulators. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay. Handa na ba kayo, guys? Ladies, eto na. We will announce our title holder or the Queen of Bekshis ng Maynila, and then later on, bigyan natin siya ng chance na i-crown. For the meantime, eto na. With a total score of 95.94%, Queen of Bekshis ng Maynila 2026 is... Our Queen is... Billy Lapitan!
Congratulations to our Queen of Bekshi 2026, Billy Labitan Yadaw from Tarlac.
Meaning to say, our first runner-up is Yen La Victoria with a score of 94.61%. Congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin madlang, people!
Queen of Bekshi ng Maynila, raise your crown, taas mo ka, talino at ganda, irarampa, buong Maynila mamamaya, Manila sa mapay, iba't ibang kulay sabay saya.
Once again, Billy Labitan Yadaw, Queen of Bekshi ng Maynila 2026! Once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagtangkiling at pagsuporta.